Lab number 1, variables and data types. So, first one is student information system. Ito yung output. And then, ito yung code. First line, piniprint lang yung title. And then, dito naman hinihingi yung student ID. Same lang sa third line, pero full name naman yung hinihingi. Next is for grade 1, 2, and 3. May float, strings, decimal yung hinihingi. Next, for calculation of average, grade 1 plus grade 2 plus grade 3 divided by 3. And then, yung last is yung section, hinihingi lang din yung section ng user. Then, dito naman, yung display, title lang ulit, and then yung ID, name, and section. Dito na magdi-display yung in-enter ng user. Next grade, magdi-display lang din yung tatlong grades na in-enter ni user. And then, last one for average. Ayan na yung grade 1 plus 2 plus 3 divided by 3. So, lab 1, part 2 is yung salary calculator. Ito yung output. And then, ito naman yung code. First line, nagpiprint lang ulit ng title. And then, hinihingi yung employee name, basic salary, and number of overtime hours. Float ulit since may decimal. Next, yung calculation of OT, gross, tax, and net. So, mapapansin nyo dito, 0.12 siya since yung hinihingi is yung 12% ng tax. So, 12% kinonvert into decimal, naging 0.12. Next is, dito naman yung display lang ulit, yung title. And then, yung employee name, overtime hours, yung in-enter lang ni user sa employee name. And then, yung overtime hours, gross salary. Ito yung mga calculated values. Gross salary, 12% tax, and last one, net salary. So, lab 1, part 3 is online shopping cart. Ito yung output. Here naman yung code. First line, nag-print lang ulit ng title. And then, hiningi lang yung product 1, 2, and 3. Yung quantity ng product, which is kung ilang pieces. And then, yung product price ng tatlong product. Floating, usually yung mga price may decimal. So, this part naman is yung calculation for quantity, price, and also yung total. Next, dinisplay lang yung title, and then dito naman dinisplay yung quantity, product name, price, also yung total. And then itong mga dash, separator lang siya. Last one is yung total. So, 0.2F since para dalawa yung decimal places.